Everyone is talking about AI, but the truth is that most people don't know how actually to use ChatGPT to make real money online. In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 proven strategies to make money with ChatGPT in 2025, even if you have no coding skills, no business background, and no budget to start. Stick with me until the end, because I'll show you how people are turning simple ChatGPT prompts into side hustles, freelance gigs, and even passive income streams. Here's the problem. Most people waste hours asking ChatGPT random questions, instead of using it like a money-making machine. The truth is, if you know how to structure prompts the right way, ChatGPT can write, sell, market, and even brainstorm businesses for you, faster than you ever could on your own. So, let's break down exactly how to use ChatGPT to earn money online in 2025. First, freelancing with ChatGPT. On platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, thousands of clients are looking for copywriting, blog posts, ad scripts, and social media content. Instead of spending hours writing, you can use ChatGPT to generate high-quality drafts in minutes. Example: offer a gig like, "I'll write SEO-optimized blog posts using AI tools." Charge $50 to $100 per article. ChatGPT gives you the draft, then you polish it slightly and deliver. This strategy is already making freelancers $2,000 to $5,000 a month, and you can start today with zero investment. Second, YouTube automation. ChatGPT can write full video scripts, just like the one you're listening to right now. Combine ChatGPT with AI voice generators and stock footage, and you've got a faceless YouTube channel. People are running channels in niches like tech, finance, health, and motivation, and monetizing through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Even with just 10,000 subscribers, you could be pulling in $1,000 to $3,000 a month on autopilot. Third, selling digital products. ChatGPT can outline and write ebooks, guides, templates, and checklists. You can then sell them on Amazon, KDP, Gumroad, or Etsy. Imagine uploading an ebook that ChatGPT helped you write, pricing it at $9.99, and selling 10 copies a day. That's $3,000 a month in passive income. The key is choosing trending topics like AI tools, productivity, side hustles, or personal finance that people are already searching for in 2025. Fourth, affiliate marketing with ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT to generate SEO blog posts that rank on Google. These posts can promote affiliate products, from Amazon items to software tools. Example: a simple blog about top 5 AI tools for students with affiliate links could generate commissions every single day. The best part? Once the content is up, it keeps working for you while you sleep. Finally, AI bots and automation services. With no coding at all, you can now connect ChatGPT to platforms like Zapier, ManyChat, or WhatsApp bots. Businesses will pay you to set up AI customer support bots, lead generation bots, or sales assistants. This is one of the fastest growing industries in 2025, and the demand is exploding. And here's the shocking part. Most people watching this video won't take action. But those who do will be in the top 5% of early adopters who actually profit from the AI revolution. The opportunities are wide open right now, but they won't stay that way forever. So now you know exactly how to use ChatGPT to make money online in 2025. Which of these 5 methods are you going to try first? Drop your answer in the comments. Hit the like button if you got value, and subscribe because my next video will show you the best AI tools to build passive income streams step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.